Bonafide Hustler here, and today I'm gonna show you something that I swore I was never gonna buy from a thrift store, but I bought it. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. I'm gonna show you some cool finds today, but more importantly, I'm gonna show you something that I swore I was never gonna buy at a thrift store, and I bought 4 of them. Maybe 3 of them, 4 of them, I don't know. It was a half off day too, which is crazy. Okay. So, before I get to that kind of stuff, make sure you get the free guide. So important, it is the first link down below. You'll get a free guide, and you get on my awesome email list where you get cheddar reports, all kinds of stuff, and like really cool specific sales too, which is really interesting. Okay, so there's that. There's also, follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. You would love it, because there's cool content there too. Trust me, you'll learn a lot of things there too. All right, so I'm gonna show you some neat things that I found, probably 3 neat things that I found, maybe 1 sold already, and then we'll get to the actual stuff. And by the way, I wanna let you guys know, first of all, thank you for anybody that watched my previous video on what happened and the whole like mountain biking crash and all that kind of stuff. My face looks good now. All the little scars like fell off and everything, so that looks awesome. It's not scars, but all the little, you know, whatever. And it fell off in the shower, so I'm looking pretty good. No more Beauty and the Beast. I look good. I think I do. Okay, so there's that. So thank you for all the kind wishes and get well better and all that kind of stuff, or get better soon, and sharing your stories as well regarding some of the insight you had on what I talked about in that video. And you should definitely check out that video. It is the one right before this one. It basically says like what exactly happened last Sunday. That's what it's called. It's a really cool video. Big message in that video that everyone needs to see. So go check out that video, please. Okay, and now I also want to say that the reason why you're seeing another Hustler video is because probably 2 videos ago, I was like, if you like Hustler vlogs, like let me know. And like 150 of you guys let me know through comments that you were missing me and E-Money and all that kind of stuff. And it made me want to film more. So if you want this to continue, comment below. But there's going to be something that you need to comment as well at the end of this video. And it's going to be a relatively short video, so let's get to the first finds right now. This was such a sick find the other day. This was $8 at a thrift store, okay? Now granted, the housing on the front of this camera is slightly cracked. The camera's integrity is not compromised. Check this out. Contour +2 right here, or 2+, whatever you call it. Housing, pole mount, head mount, swivel mount for something else, or I think a bar mount with a swivel top, and the actual Contour camera itself. I mean, dude, for real, tested it out, works perfect. It is awesome. This is probably a $100 sale right here, and that was just sitting in a bin at a Goodwill. Next find is kind of interesting. A very awesome brand that comes out of Austin, Texas, and it's called Howler Brothers. All right, so you wouldn't know just from this. You might think that's Hermes or something weird. So look for the monkey. All right, Howler Brothers, and this is their slogan, heed the call. But this is a Howler Brothers, like a hybrid short, mint condition, size 36, and a lot of their stuff will always just have bros on the side. Now they make hoodies, they make jackets, they make shorts, they make pants, they make cool shirts, cool hats, all based out of Austin, Texas. And this should sell for around 50 bucks. And this was, I think, maybe 7 out the door or something like that. Something that I'm keeping, $2. This Amazon Alexa tap, so cool. And it works perfectly fine. Sounds great, perfect for the gym. $2. This is definitely a keeper. Guys, if you find this, it probably would have sold for around 60 bucks or so. But I mean, it's a really interesting speaker because it hooks up to your Wi-Fi, and I paired it to Spotify and all that kind of stuff, so I can talk into it, tell it what to play, and my phone doesn't have to be anywhere nearby, so that's really cool. I like that. I want to show you something that sold today for 80 bucks. I picked this up probably 3 days ago. You saw it on a vlog, guys. You saw it on a vlog. I picked it up this weekend. I think it was Saturday. So that was about 3, maybe 4 days ago. And these were, what were they, 10 bucks? I don't even know. What were these things? Let's take a look. Oh, here's some random tags. This is how much they were, all right? So they were 12 bucks actually. And I used the 20% off coupon too. So they were really like 10 bucks. Yeah, Noble shoes, great condition, right? Look at that. 80 bucks. These things sell so fast, it's crazy. So don't forget that brand, No Bull. All right, Noble, whatever. I don't know if it's like No Bull or Noble, like you're a noble knight or a person, or if it's like Noble as a no bull, you know, S word. I don't know, you tell me. But we're getting to the best find, and here it is. This is where I need every one of you guys to echo in, because this is something I swore I was never gonna buy at a thrift store. Ever. I've preached it on my videos, like I'm not gonna buy that. I'm not gonna buy that ever at a thrift store. I don't trust it. And then I bought some. So, what is it? Oh my gosh. Are you serious, Bonafide? Did you literally buy briefs at a thrift store? They're Calvin Klein briefs though, look. Isn't that awesome? There are 3 of them, actually 4 of them. 4 of them, and they have this little tape thing, which means I think they came out of like the, you know, the plastic thing. There's another one right there. And, oh, there's another one right there. Does this one have it? Ooh, this one doesn't. I don't know if I wanna look. Okay, so they were $3 a piece, and then it was half off day that day. And look, I mean, even the tag's like perfectly clean. So I think they're I think they're new. I'm pretty sure they're new because even the lady checking them out was like, these are nice. And I don't even think they've ever been washed or they've ever been worn. So she concurred as well. So if the lady says that they're new, they gotta be new, right? But I always told myself I would never buy thrifted underwear, ever. And I like Calvin Klein briefs because when you wear kind of like skinnier type jeans and stuff like that, it doesn't show any lines or anything. You know, I'm just speaking the truth. And here in Austin, you know, everyone's all hipsters and stuff. So, you know, skinny jeans are kind of in. And I like Calvin Klein. I do. They make good stuff. I am going to wash them. Okay, I am going to wash them, but they appear new. So the question is, would you buy thrifted underwear? I want every one of you guys right now, at this point of the video, to put a comment down below and let me know your answer. Make me laugh. I don't care. You know, when all those 150 comments on that previous video came in, I was looking at my comments 4 times a day. E-Money was looking at them too. We were all laughing, having a good time. So your comments make us smile. Your comments make us think. Your comments make us want to film more, you know? So that's where this video ends. I told you it was going to be kind of a shorter video. And let me know what you think about the thrifted underwear. I don't know, but they're probably new. They're probably new. Let me know what you think. Take it easy. Goodbye.